In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage photos on your Google Business profile. Let's dive right into it. First things first, for those of you who are new to Google Business, this is your go-to platform for managing your business's presence across Google, including search and maps. Managing your photos here is an essential part of keeping your profile fresh and engaging for your customers. Alright, to start, you'll want to head over to Google Business Profile. Open up your preferred web browser, type in Google Business Profile, and hit enter. Once you're on the site, you'll need to sign in using your Google account. This is a pretty straightforward process, but remember you should sign in with the account associated with your business profile. After signing in, the next step is to choose a business profile. If you manage more than one location or business, you'll see a list here. Click on the one you want to manage photos for. This action will take you to your business profile dashboard, a central hub for all things relating to your business on Google. Now we're getting to the good part, managing your photos. Look for the Photos section and click on it. In this section, you'll see different types of photos. Those you've uploaded, user-generated content, and more. It's a visual representation of your business, so you'll want to keep it neat and tidy. Here comes a bit of housekeeping. To delete a photo, simply hover over the picture you wish to remove and you'll see a trash can icon appear. Click on this icon to delete the photo. It's a good idea to periodically review your photos to ensure that only high quality, relevant images represent your business. Lastly, to get a bird's eye view of all the photos associated with your business, click on View All Photos at the top left. This feature allows you to see everything in one glance, making it easier to manage your visual content and ensure that your business is presented in the best light possible. Remember, the photos on your Google Business profile play a crucial role in how customers perceive your business. High quality, relevant photos can attract more customers and enhance your business's credibility. So there you have it, a simple step-by-step guide on how to manage photos on your Google Business profile. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tips and tutorials to help you make the most out of your Google Business profile.